Welcome to Blueprint OMS New Features video. Today I will be going over all of Blueprint OMS 2.9's new features. You are now able to change a patient's note color. So go up to the Patient drop-down menu and click on Edit Note. And here you can see there's the different color options in the corner. Assign a color to categorize a patient's note or increase visibility on a specific patient issue. Now you can assign multiple healthcare providers to a patient. So go into your Patient tab and go to the Details tab and click on the Healthcare Providers. Here you can add as many healthcare provider types as you would like. The provider type listed first is the primary provider. The provider with a check mark will be the provider listed on the claims. If you go to Setup, Healthcare Provider Types, here you'll see all of the different provider types. And here you can edit or create a new one. You can change the name or the color. Hearing aids can now be undelivered. Go to the Hearing Aid tab, right-click, and click on Undeliver. This has to be prior to creation of the invoice and only works on binaural orders. Your recipient fax number can now be edited when retrying a fax transmission that has failed. Go up to the Communications drop-down menu and hit Fax Outbox. Right-click on the fax and go down to Retry Transmission. There you'll see you're able to edit that fax number and try resending it again. Go up to the Help drop-down menu and click on Cloud Docs Fax Usage. Here, you'll see that document storage and fax usage details are now available. The ability to process credit cards for insurance payments is now available. Go up to Accounting and click on Enter Third-Party Payment. Users are now prompted to swipe their card. So add that appropriate information in, the amount applied to the invoice, and then you will see that processing payment window pop up. Click on the Scheduling tab. There's a new No Answer Appointment status. This indicates an unsuccessful attempt to confirm an appointment by phone call with a patient. So right-click on the appointment that you want to change the status on. Document statuses can now be updated for multiple documents simultaneously. Go to the Tools drop-down menu and then click on Search Document. Select the status for the document you're looking for. Then you're able to select both documents, right-click, and change the status for both. There is also a Hide Completed Recalls toggle button down in the bottom corner. Now go to the Marketing section, and there has been a new Appointments Primary filter added. This filter searches all patients who have a certain appointment type within a specific date range. There is also a new filter called Last Marketing Contact Not. This filter allows you to find patients who have had no marketing contact in a specified period. A patient creation date has been added to marketing campaign reports. It's applied to both short and full export formulas and can be used for filtering in Excel. There have also been many changes to current reports. They've been updated, or some new ones have been created as well. Some of these report features include the ability to segment them by location or provider. Many reports have the option to export into Excel as well. Thank you for watching our video on Blueprint OMS 2.9 new features. We hope you found this video helpful.